So I'm with Reese today, one of our spanner lads here at the Scrappers. Reese,
Yes.
what is it like being a spanner lad here at the Scrappers?
Oh, it's lovely, mate. It's fucking. It's good to work on the yard. It's just knowing about cars, knowing how to strip cars, supplying your parts to customers. It's just being. I've just always been enthusiastic with cars. That's just me. It's always the trade that I've been in. So, I've just the job that I'll always be with.
We're always looking for spanner lads.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So what kind of skills do they really need to have to be a spanner lad here at the Scrappers?
To be honest, mate, even starting from the bottom. You can start people from the bottom, teach them up. You're even just taking batteries off, wheels off, brake calipers, stuff like that. Nice, easy jobs. And then as they progress, they just keep on going and build up to taking engines out, taking axles off. There are multiple different things, even garage work. If you've worked in garages in the past, MOT testing, come down. There's always jobs what we can be doing. We've just opened a brand new MOT bay. They're always looking for new staff. It's like I say, if you know anything, if you know about cars, even if you know minimal or a lot, then come down, give it a try, and yeah, you'll have there's always jobs there.
And we've also got as well. We've also got the Genuine Futures project of the We Shine Any car.
That's the one, especially for the young kids. Everything that you're doing for these guys, Sam, it's unbelievable, to be honest, mate.
Yeah, we're doing it. We're making a difference. We are making a difference.
But yeah, like I've seen all the young ones that you've got here compared to when they started with you, compared to what they are now, completely different people. Like especially with Lewis, with Lewis, is honestly he's a brilliant lad. He's just grown and grown and grown, and look at where he is now. He's doing all the cars on his own. Obviously, you've got other ones helping him, but when he comes in, he's just always cracking on with work, wanting to learn more, wanting to do more. He don't stop. He's a cracking lad.
And that's what it's about, Reese, isn't it? Is actually, treating people the way you like to be treated, giving them an opportunity, because a lot of the young people today, especially those who've not got academic skills, they get judged and labelled, stigmatised. Here at the Scrappers, we want to give them the right support, and with Genuine Futures working together, there's many opportunities in there.
Oh, 100%, mate. There's thousands of opportunities from like I keep when I speak to the lads down with you. I always say, yeah, they might be washing cars and stuff now, but they'll keep on learning and learning. They'll be in here with us, helping out on parts, doing more things, and learning a lot more.
That's
the main thing. So yeah,
that's it. No, thank you very much, Reese. Great to speak to you again, and we'll speak soon. Thanks, Reese.
Thank you.